Presenting the Rolls-Royce Boat Tail, a $28 million work of art on wheels. Its nautical curves echo the grace of J-class yachts. At a button's touch, the rear transforms into a hosting suite, complete with champagne and parasol. Inside, every detail is bespoke, even twin Beauvais timepieces, crafted over 3 years. Beneath the artistry, a 6.75-liter V12 delivers effortless Rolls-Royce power. A vision in blue, infused with crystals, polished to perfection by hand. More than a car, it is the pinnacle of bespoke luxury. The Rolls-Royce Boat Tail, a once-in-a-lifetime masterpiece.